Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about Excel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan. Well, Excel is a program that is provided by Microsoft. It is a program that allows us to store, organize, and analyze information. When you look on my screen, on the right hand side on top, this is an icon for Excel. I'm using Excel 2003 on my laptop that I installed. Also, Google has a different way where you can find Excel. That's using your drive, but using Google Sheets. That's where you can find Excel. I'll be showing you in a moment. Excel, when you open up a new project that you want to work on, that project, when you save it, is called a workbook. So let me show you. Let's say I'm opening Excel. I'll double click on it. So that's how it's opening Excel. All right, this is a blank workbook. You see what I mean? This is a workbook. So I'll click on it. Then it opens up. So this is an Excel workbook from Microsoft. Also, if I don't want to use this application, I may go to my account, that is my Google account, and then I'll go to Drive, I'll go to Google, type here. I'm already signed into my account. So when you see on my right hand side on top here, there are these 9 dots in the circle. When you click on it, it shows Google Apps. When you click on it, it gives you option. This option, we are looking at Google Sheets. When you click on this Google Sheets, it will open up docs.google.com. So Google Sheets, this is where you find Excel. I'll open up this file called Ryan's Music Data Analysis. As I told you before, we use Excel to analyze information. So this is an example of Google Worksheet, in Excel. So you can see state, Nevada, Alaska, user ID, music genre, and age. So you can analyze this information using Excel, showing at what age, or what's the age of those people who are watching, or who love country music, who love rock music, who love jazz music, who loves metal and classical. Or you can say which state is more engaged in R&B, rock. That means you're analyzing the information. So there are two ways how you can access Excel worksheet. Either you can use your account using Google Sheets, or you can go through the application that you installed on your computer, that is Microsoft Office Suite. It could be either 2024, 19, 12, or 8. So it depends on the one you're having. So this is an example of Excel as well. So when you save it, it becomes a workbook. That's all I want to share with you about Excel. I'll be showing you more about Excel in my coming video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.